Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I will recommend how you can use the public bus in Athens. So make sure you stay tuned till the end and hopefully find this video useful for you. About 6.4 million people per year visit Athens. Although the metro is the easiest and quickest mean of transport, it doesn't get you everywhere in Athens. With that being said, the bus is the most popular and effective way of getting around the city. Using your phone, go to Google Maps or to maps.google.com. For this trip's destination, I will select the metro in Elliniko. When searching for directions, by default Google has my location selected, which most of the time is what we need selected. I'm just going to go ahead and erase that and select the Choose on Map option. After doing that, I'm going to pretend I'm in the Glyfada area, which I've made a video about, by the way. After pinning my starting point on the map, I click on Directions, making sure I've selected the public transport option. As you can see, we have these three options here on which bus to take to reach our final destination. I'm going to go ahead and select the quickest route. By selecting the route to see further details, I can see information such as how many stops it is till my final destination, and by selecting this here, I can now see in real time when the bus will arrive to the stop. Tickets cannot be found on buses, besides airport buses, so to purchase a ticket you will need to find a ticket machine which is available in metro stations or specific places where tickets are being sold. You can pay using both cash and credit card. And now that we have our ticket purchased, hold on to your ticket because with this ticket, you don't have to throw it away. You can just recharge this ticket again using the machine. This ticket is valid for every single mean of transport in Athens. This is for every single mean of transportation in Athens, and it works with NFC technology. So with that in mind, if you need to first use the bus to get somewhere, make sure you have bought a package with 24 hours at least, because if you have chosen the 90-minute option, once your ticket has been validated, it will be useless to you and you run the risk of a fine, which by the way is 60 times the price of a ticket, which makes it 72 euros. At several bus stops, signs like these will inform you using real time to when your bus will arrive at the stop and also inform you with additional information such as cancelled routes, etc. Some stops don't have these signs, so real time in this form is not available. In this case, you have Google Maps as shown before to show you real time, and in case that's not working, then here's the application you can download to get any information regarding buses. So that was it for today everyone. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy the content on this channel, then please subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, and in general, share your thoughts with me. Until next time, have a great time and an amazing vacation.